Okay, this is called the Level 21 Mall. It's in Denpasar. I got grab taxis right there, and then you can kind of see where we're at. So we have some other stuff over there. It says I love Bali. Just walk over there real quick. And we're basically in downtown Denpasar, and I'm just gonna give you a little tour. So it says I love Bali right there. And we're gonna go check out this mall. It's right in the middle of Denpasar city. Okay, so Level 21 Mall, we're gonna go check that out. I think first we're gonna walk outside, and we're just gonna kind of show you the outside part first. And we got some stuff like J Co, which I think is from the Philippines. We got some places to sit outside. Got a Starbucks all the way down the end. So you got lots of places you can eat that are outside as well, so you don't have to go inside. So we're gonna go inside though anyways. Cafe Bakmi GM. Kind of cool chairs as well. So it looks like we can go in that spot right there, I believe, but I think I'm gonna walk all the way around and go in through the Starbucks. Mac and cheese. See all these little food things too. Food sauce. Banda Kitchen dim sum. Oh, that's the macaroni and cheese right there. Dim sum. Hello. Nasi goreng. Bakso goreng. And then we got the Starbucks as well. So, okay, so we're gonna head on inside next. I think they got live music here as well. That feels really good outside. So I'm gonna go through that entrance. We got Starbucks right there. And then we're just gonna walk down. Got a little bit of a, and actually this crown, I walked through it earlier and I didn't film it. It was in the morning, so there wasn't hardly anybody around, but now there is. So fruity series drinks, Coco. Yeah, now we got a lot of people inside, including a lot of places to eat. So all these also have the same ones outside as well, so you could be inside or outside. Yep. Oh, no filming. Okay, so that right there is the Level 21 Mall, and I'm gonna end the video. A guy came up to me, a security guy. There's a lot of security guys in there, and he came up and said, "No more camera anymore." Very serious. And then he talked to a couple of security guys, and I was out of there. So I guess there's some security concerns about video. So anyways, that's 21 Mall. I'm gonna do some separate walking and see what's up on these other streets. So we'll do some different videos for that. All right.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.